And to set the stage, you have to realize that there was two huge lakes on that Colorado Plateau. And that Colorado Plateau is huge. It'd be if it was a state, it would be the fifth largest state behind Montana. And these lakes, that Grand Lake, that's at 5,700 feet. So it's a mile above sea level. So that's tremendous potential energy. It's twice as big as Lake Michigan in both size and volume. Got 3,100 cubic miles of water. And it's a huge lake. It's deep. If you looked at, if you're in Farmington, New Mexico, you'd be under 350 feet of water. That's a deep lake. But if you're in Grand Junction, you'd be under 1,100 feet of water. And if you're at Page, Arizona, that's 1,400 feet. And so once that starts going over, there's no stopping it. And I love this website. This is topographic-map.com. You can zoom in, you can tap, and whatever you tap, it shows you the elevation. Okay, and so there's the Grand Canyon in the circle there. Those are the cities that I mentioned, and that's not the elevation. That's how deep they'd be underwater. But let's just zoom in on Grand Canyon and look at that funnel. That's Vermilion Cliffs on the left and Echo Cliffs on the right. And at one time, they were connected. Those are 2,000-foot cliffs, and that's what's holding back Grand Lake. And eventually, it goes over the top, and so it cuts a slit down, and it erodes everything. It goes down to the Kaibab limestone, and then it hits the hard Kaibab limestone rock. That's 350 feet thick. And so that's why we think this happened a time after the flood, not right after the flood, because we need things to solidify. And so it's going to be, I don't know, maybe 100 years after the flood. I'm not sure, but it needed time for the hard Kaibab limestone to get solid, and also for those cliffs to get solid. Otherwise, if it was all mud, they would just sloop in.